Hey, what's going on? Rob from myppctraining.com. Today, just wanted to briefly touch on very quick display URL best practices. It's nothing crazy or anything like that. It's just just want to run through a trick you can do with the display path URL that I think you could find some value in to test when it comes to bumping up your click-through rates. All right, so log into your AdWords account, go into the campaign that you're working on. And I usually take this ad group by ad group and just work my way down. So we will go to the first one. And the first thing we do is go up to ads and extensions. And something you want to test, which you can see I actually don't even have it set up here, but this is your display URL. So we're going to our main website, but this is a text you can add. All right, that section right here. So you can see here, we can, if we go in and edit each ad, you have your display URL here, and then you have a display path right here. So this is a great space to work in a keyword or a heavy call to action, like call now for a free quote. I mean, you can really do anything. You don't have to use a keyword in here. I like to use keyword here because it helps with relevancy, but I have seen people do call to actions, all right, especially in the roofing niche, plumbing, stuff like that. So you can do like call for a free quote or white label PPC management. Also, something you want to test is capitalizing. I'm not going to edit this ad because it's doing really well, but you know what I mean. So you would capitalize all of the first letters. And it kind of draws more attention when you see the ad. Here, I'll actually go in and show you with a new ad. So you can see here, here's our ad right here with all of our extensions set up. So if you wanted to test capitalizing versus having lowercase and see which one has a higher click-through rate, this is something that you would want to do. And you can see what it looks like on the right. Alright, so it kind of just stands out more. See what I mean? Like it's just more text, it's bigger, pops out. So that's something that you definitely want to be playing around with. I know it sounds like so stupid and small and sounds like a waste of time, but I'm telling you, it's not. We have seen click-through rate increases, which obviously leads to higher conversions and stuff like that. But we have seen it happen from stupid small tweaks like this. So definitely something you should be playing around with. So I just want to drop this quick video. It's not, like I said, nothing crazy. If you guys have any questions, drop them below this video. I'd love to help you out. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on the video if you can. Really appreciate that. It helps with our channel. And don't forget to obviously subscribe. We drop content daily now, so we have a lot of cool stuff coming out. Besides that, I will see you guys in the next video.